Joe. That's what we talk about right off the top, baby. Smoking Joe. We got my man Smoking Joe over here, y'all. Come on, come on. Oh, bitch, you goddamn. Come on. Yeah. Hey, that's bitch, you goddamn. Come on, come on. You remember that Benji? That's my man Benji Go-Go Swings magazine, y'all. Huh? Come on, come on. Back in the day, he was Benji goddamn. That's what we talking about, Wheel the Road. Come on. Give us a few minutes to warm this thing up, baby. We ain't got no monitor, man. We just gonna try to feel our way through this. Yeah. Huh? I see you, Peanut. Work your life, man. I see you, Peanut. Hold it down, Jack. Kick it over, Blue. Come on. Yeah. Gangsta Miss Chris said. Gangsta Miss Chris say. Come on, come on. Huh? Is that you, baby? Don't act like I ain't say your name just now. You up? Huh? Gangsta Miss Chris say. Come on, come on, come on. I know you shouldn't have been talking to Smoking Joe, but don't act like I ain't say your name. Huh? Throw a hand up, wink an eye, do something, throw me a kiss. Is that you, Shawnee? We got my baby, sweet Shawnee, sweet Sweet D up in here for a second week in a row, huh? Yeah! 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 Come on, come on. I ain't seen y'all 2 weeks in a row since we was back at the Heart and Soul. I ain't seen y'all 2 weeks in a row since we was back at the Heart and Soul, D. Huh? Is that right? Yeah. I guess I must have played your week. I must have played your song last week, huh, Shawnee? Come on, come on, come on, come on. Also, we got my baby Cheyenne up in here. Sweet Miss Nicole. Hey. Who else we got up in here? Did I say T-Bone? Come on. Yeah, where my girl Red Passion at? From the Heart and Soul. What's up, mama? We got my girl Michelle. I think she goes by Red Passion. From the Heart and Soul days. Yeah. I think they made that joint a library or something. Yeah. Hold it down, Jack. Come on. I think we almost there, baby. Is that you back there, Jay? Huh? Come on, come on, come on. Is that my man Jay? I see all the way in the back. Special K. That's my man Cal. Method Cal. Yeah! I was listening to the tape, man. Wasn't bad at all, Cal. Hold it down, Jack. Come on, come on, come on. You like where it's happening right here, man? Come and tell me your name, Slim. We got my man Scotty playing the front, y'all keep your eyes on him, security.
Is it too late to get it back? I think about it every once in a while.
I was about to get right now. I know what you're talking about, son.
Hey,
I was about to do the background. I know exactly what you're talking about, man.
oh, yeah.
Yeah. Just warming it up, baby.
Oh, yeah.
Hold me down, Jack. Hold me down, Jack. Shit. Yeah. That's how we do, Benji. Gangsta Miss Chrissy. Sweet Shell, my motherfucking girl. This is a warm-up song right here, Yaki. Yeah! Did I see Pee Wee come on here with your blue? Huh? Watch yourself, Scotty. You on the wrong side of history right now, brother. Give me a little something, Buddha. We got my man Pee Wee. Is that Pee Wee with your nephew? What happened to big brother Andre? Tell my man Andre come holler at us next Sunday night, man. So we can put him on display with my man Pee Wee and nephew. Let's go, Tony Shaw.
Left the break from the birds, turn low into rhythm. Flash your bird, wasn't really from my bus to a Bentley coupe.
Yeah.
With a pallet full of shoes, yeah. Then I smile, stir the crowd, up, stir to down. I don't know where I'm going now. I think about it every once in a while.
That's what we're talking about.
Started out like Bobby and Whitney, Justin and Britney. Then it all got ugly if it weren't for the money.
Yeah.
You said I started funny, but what's wrong with you? Then the good turn to bad. Got what we had. Is it too late to get it back? I think about it every once in a while. Baby, I said it's way so a classic car, baby. $2 bill, so bad, so unreal, and I don't know how to get over her smile. I wish we could take it back. I think about it every once in a while. I should have came with the ring, said I date for next May. I guess I thought that you wait. Now I hate that it took so long. Played around with her, now she's gone. Now my smile's turned to frown, up, turned to down. I don't know where I'm going now. Think about it every once in a while. We argue like Archie and Peter,
Yeah.
like Ike turned on Tina. But I really didn't mean it. I was raised not to hit a woman, especially not the one I'm loving. Then the good turn to bad, happy or sad. I wish we could take it back. I think about it every like when I spot a rainbow on the star. I said a twin to a classic car, baby. $2 bill, so bad, so unreal. And I don't know how to get over her smile. I wonder what she's doing now.
Let's go, Sean.
Listen, you're like a star, shining in the bright daylight. Something you don't see all the time. Now I finally recognize that I should have made you all mine. I never should have let you pass me by. Put that sparkle in my life. Someone that you don't meet twice. I'm gonna live to regret it, baby. Oh, yeah. Baby, baby, I need you, I need you.
Hold me down, Jack. sweet time. Your head bobbing, speak shine. Motherfucking yeah. ABC, your head bobbing, yeah. AP Nut, your head bobbing, yeah. Hey, Smoking Joe, your head bobbing, hit and run, hey, shut it down. Hey, when you wanna look, I don't hear no, see no evil. Hey, Jay, but I know some dangerous people. Hey, County Cow, I don't hear no, see no evil.
No, I don't.
But I know some dangerous people. Hey, to the day, I don't hear no, see no evil. Hey, Edgewood, but I know some dangerous people. Yeah, hey, Parkland, I don't hear no, see no evil. Hey, Sweet Song, but I know some dangerous people. Hey, this is Jack Hardy. Yeah! Yeah! Hell yeah! It's in the game! I got the shit to rock the PA! Yeah! Hit it right! Yeah! That's my nigga right there! And with the roll! They call it Terrence, look! If they bad, then look at this man alive! Why they running high? Nothing out of mind! Make sure you hear me, Parkland. Hey, look, if they bad, then we get this man alive. Body running high, nothing out of mind. Hey, Keon, hey, Pee-wee, hey, to the day, I don't hear no, see no evil. Yeah, but I know some dangerous people. Will roll, I don't hear no, see no evil.
No, I don't.
But I know some dangerous people. That's the bitch. I don't hear no, see no evil. Hey, Tina Turner. But I know some dangerous people. Crazy goddamn. I don't hear no, see no evil. Hey, Edgewood. But I know some dangerous people. Let's go, Johnny. I got the shit to rock the PA. That's what we talk about, pretty eyes. Hey, 6ix9ine, hey, Kevin Nye, hey, Willa Roll, let's roll. Oh. Yeah. Hell yeah. I got the shit to rock the PA. Niggas and bitches, we from the district. We got that mind out, so vicious. We got that mind, I be dirty like the dish. And bust some blocks, I be clearing 13 with it. I spit that double rapping, stolen my Jehovah. Been in the morning, tell them T. Floyd, tell them I got my niggas on the blue top, down, raised up, believe it, they raising up. I love that treason, but I hate a fucking traitor. I'ma grab a nail and I'ma give it to traitors later. Fuck them suckers, they wrapped up. Trust me, Jack, they some dirty motherfuckers. My flow's a miracle like pot and Ramsey. Stay off my lyrical, bitch, my shit is for me. They trying to hear my niggas bleed, they can't. But my niggas will stop in their face. I don't hear no, see no evil.
No, I don't.
But I know some dangerous people. I don't hear no, see no evil. But I know some dangerous people. Look, hey, now Trinidad, holla back. Hey, Parkland, holla back. Hey, my nigga Cal, holla back. Hey, my nigga Jay, holla back. Hey, now nephew, holla back. Hey, AP Wee, holla back. Hey, Tina Turner,